Netta Monroe. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be addressing a frequently asked question I get on like all of my try on hauls. I get it a lot on Instagram. I also get it a lot on Facebook, Snapchat, at work, like everywhere. And so the question is like, where do I get my jeans from? And a lot of people seem to be scared to order from Fashionnova for some reason. I've been ordering jeans, like pretty much all of my jeans have been coming from Fashionnova since I want to say about 2012 when I first found out about them via Instagram. They weren't that big. I don't know how long they have been in business at the time, but what I can say is that they've definitely changed because they've always had the free shipping for orders $75 or more, and it was free 2-day shipping. And like my stuff used to literally come in 2 days, no more than 3. Now I have to wait for like a week and sometimes even longer than that. So you know that wasn't an improvement, but I guess it's because you know, just how popular they've become. They might be a little bit more overwhelmed, and so you know, if other people order before me, they gotta fulfill their orders first. I get that, but yeah, I've been ordering from them for a pretty long time, and I've done a few pair of jeans, but I'm gonna show you guys the jeans that work for me with my body type, since that is the main thing I see on this channel when I do these try on hauls, is you guys letting me know, like, thank God I finally found somebody that's shaped like me or my size. We don't got people like you like the only one I found, blah blah blah. So I decided to go ahead and show you guys which jeans I get from Fashionnova and what size I get in Fashionnova jeans. So I'm also going to address really quickly a lot of the questions that y'all ask are like, what size am I exactly? Because as you guys know, the camera can fool a bitch. So my sizes are, all shirts that I wear are usually an extra large unless they run small or too big. All of the bottoms that I buy are extra large. All the dresses are extra large or a size 14. Jeans are either a size 15 or a 16 depending on if it's women's or juniors. So hopefully that helps y'all to gauge a better, you know, visual on what size I am, because I know that the camera and stuff can be, you know, misleading and everything. What I can also say is that my height also plays a part. Like for some reason when someone is shorter and they wear the same size as me, they look a bit bigger or something. Like it's something weird. Like for some reason when somebody's shorter, they look bigger, but when I tell them what size I am, they don't really believe me. But it's just the height kind of offsetting the thick. So I mainly order 2 types of jeans from Fashionnova. I do definitely have a pair that is my most favorite, like the style that is my most favorite, but I did want a thicker jean. So these are the classic high-waist skinny jeans from Fashionnova. And what I can say, these just came out the dryer and I threw them inside of the clothes hamper, so they're a little wrinkly. But this is what the jeans look like. They say Fashionnova in the tag. Since I've been ordering these for so long, they used to say Vibrant in the tag. And I used to order a size 15, but they were entirely too tight, very uncomfortable. So I went on ahead, it still says Vibrant actually on this tag. They thought they were slick. They just straight changed off the tag. They think they slick. So I get an extra large in this. So in my opinion, whatever jean size that you wear, if you're going to order the classic high-waist skinny jeans, I would definitely go a size up because they are tight. But what I also can say is they have a good amount of stretch, and I like the jean material that it is. It's not like the super thick jean material, but it, you know, it's definitely thicker than the other pair that I get. So I definitely would recommend these jeans. I have them in a bunch of different washes. I believe I have about 4 pair. I have them in a light wash, this medium wash, a darker wash, and then this one more. I'm trying to think of what it is. I know I have 4 pair of these, but this type is not my most favorite. Also, what I can tell you guys is, for some reason, the light wash of the classic high-waist skinny jeans fits a whole lot better than all of the other ones, because to me with this one, it's a little bit, it fits just a little bit funny in like the shit, let's say it fit a little bit funny in the crotch area or whatever, you know, like it could have been a little tighter in that area, if you know what I'm saying. So moving along, these are the super high-waist skinny jeans. I love this style of jeans. I've never had an issue with these ones fitting properly ever, no matter what color I get. I don't even know how many pair of these jeans I have. The ones I have here are the indigo, and let's look at this tag. They also have changed out the tags to say Fashionnova now, but the tag with the size on it still says Aphrodite. This used to say Aphrodite in the back, and also this button still says Aphrodite too. So these are really Aphrodite jeans, but Fashionnova just stuck their tag on the back just like they just did for the classic high-waist skinnies by Vibrant. But I get these in a size 15. They fit like a glove. I have these in plum, burgundy, olive, black, charcoal, indigo, which is what I just held up. I have them in medium blue, a blue with like a khaki color, like Timberland color, piping, a light ass blue. Like I got it in, I don't know how many damn colors I got them damn jeans in, but they fit like a glove. I got them in like a bright ass, like neon blue. Them shits look good on this booty, okay? Like, I love these jeans. I have seen a few of the try-on hauls where people will tell you to go a size down when you're ordering the super high-waist skinny jeans. But for me, I'm really not sure about that because I like to still be comfortable. Like, I want stuff to be form-fitting, but I like to still be comfortable. And also, my mama taught me when I was growing up that you ain't supposed to be wearing no super tight jeans, or it could cause, you know, like some problems down there. Y'all know what I'm talking about already. I don't know if y'all mama ever told y'all that, but I don't want to get flagged or whatever, but it can cause some stuff. My mama told me, you know, and I can't, you know, I gotta believe my mama. So I just ain't taking that chance. And you know, my booty cheeks gotta breathe, my lady parts gotta breathe. Like, I'm not gonna sit here have my booty cheeks all just scrunched up in my jeans. I'm not gonna jump, do squat looking like I'm doing a warm-up for a marathon to get in my jeans. I'm not. I'm gonna pull up my jeans like normal. I'm not gonna struggle to get in no damn jeans. Okay, so I know this was a short video, but that's really the only 2 pairs of jeans that I get. Once I start ordering more, because I'm the type of person that I don't like returning shit. Like, I don't like to send stuff back and have to wait for a store credit and everything. That's why I kind of try to stick to what I know. But I am gonna start ordering like more mid-rise jeans and, like, you know, just regular jeans, so I can figure out which ones on the site work best for me, like what size I should order in those, which ones might be Aphrodite, because I love the way the Aphrodite jeans fit me. And I'm pretty sure they don't just have no damn high-waisted jeans, they got some lower waistline jeans. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. I want to thank you guys for watching. Also, I have seen a request for rainbow stores, and I have been to Rainbow a good 3 times since I saw that request. And I'm gonna be quite honest with y'all, I only get like the t-shirts, the long sleeve t-shirts and the short sleeve t-shirts from there, because as far as everything else, it seems like they kind of just skip over my size now. Like, I'm not really all the way in juniors unless they have an extra large, which sometimes, for it might just be my location, it's so hard to get your hands on an extra large. And then when I skip over to the plus size and I grab a 1X, that shit too big. Like, it's just, you know, like, I'm like borderline, I'm like stuck in that weird sizing. So I'm not really having much luck in Rainbow, but I am going to keep on going in there and trying to find stuff that you know, that I like and that I can bring y'all a try on haul with. If you have any other requests from me as far as shopping in certain places to show what sizing I get and how it looks on me, then just let me know down in the comment section. Make sure that you are subscribed because you get notified when I come out with my future videos. I do have hair tutorials coming up. I also have my first like lookbook, like a try on haul / lookbook coming up. So I'm really excited for that. I'm gonna put the link to Fashionnova down in the description box. I'm also going to put 2 coupon codes that generally always work. Like, they've never not worked for me. They don't always promote them, but they always work for me. Also, make sure you guys are following me on social media. On Snapchat and on Instagram, it's at iam_nettamonroe. On both of those accounts. I am also itching to have a giveaway soon, so y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for that. I gotta go ahead and be out because I'm rambling. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.